Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Warda Tunisia Sipautar. You can call me Warda or Warda. My address is in Natal, Kabupaten Panjabungan, Sumatera Utara. My temporary residence is in Padang Sidimpuan, Natuna 2. My hobby is watching, while my dream is to become a designer. There's not much of difference in face after graduating for junior high school. I was very confused about where to register for high school, junior high school, or vocational school. My friends have already applied to the school they want. After I had wondered my fate for a few days, my mother told me about my grandmother who had wanted to send my mother to the fashion department. But my mother's grades did not meet the requirements to enter that department, as my mother was enrolled in the culinary art department. After graduating from high school, my mother proposed to my father and I was born. That's what my mother told me, and she advised to enroll in the fashion design department, my grandmother. And I talked for a few days and decided that I wanted to go into the fashion department and wanted to continue my grandmother's wish which my mother called make heaven. And after I told my mother how I decided, the next day my mother immediately took me to vocational school in Padang Sidimpuan, which used to be my mother's majoring in culinary art. After we arrived at the registration room, was Antoinette. There was still a teacher that my mother knew, and my mother told stories to the teacher. After my teacher and mother finished telling the story and gave my registration file, we said goodbye and went straight home. A few days passed. The announcement came out and we immediately went to Sidimpuan to see whether I was it or not. And thank God my name was in the notice board that I graduated. My mother was very happy and moved, but I feel a little sad because I had to be far away from my parents while studying here. However, my mother always advised me that if you wanted to be successful, you had to go abroad and learn experience. After a few weeks of the new school year, my mother took me to Sidimpuan with the hope that I would be successful in the future. After arriving at Sidimpuan, my mother and I looked for a boarding house for my temporary residency in Sidimpuan. After we got there, we went shopping for my school clothes on the market. After everything was ready, my mother went home for Natal and I was left alone in this person city. During school at vocational school, I went through my days as usually in the morning going to school. Going to school if I have assignment, I do it, and I don't have assignment, I sleep. Going to fashion design vocational school is not easy, but every time I see the faces of my parents and Haitians returns. That cut, I was surrounded by very good people and I was very lucky with the presence of power of my friends, while schooling during high school was very enjoyable. After graduating for vocational school, I wanted to work, but my parents advised me to go to college and I college and I complete, but I need to study fashion as well. And fortunately, in City 1, there was already an Alvarayan University, which had even a department of fashion. And my parents told me to register, eh, at this university. And here I am new, hopefully, hopefully after graduating, here I will get a good job and become successful. Amin. That's enough of my story. If there are any wrong words, I apologize. Peace be upon you. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.